हाय गाइस, हम लोग फिर से आ चुके हैं। आज हम लोग दोबारा से रीड करेंगे। तो आज का जो बुक का नाम है द एलिफेंट एंड द हेल्पफुल माइस। इन द हार्ट ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट देयर वाज अ lonely place. The king had used to ease as a summer resort long time back. Now that the king had died, there were no visitors and the palace had turned into ruins. The ruined left over had become the shelter for a colony of mice. Once a herd of elephants happened to cross that way. With loud trumpeting, they clamped everything they set foot on. When they about the crossing the ruins, the chief mouse ran to the master elephant and begged, "Hey, mighty elephant, we are living in these ruins for generation and generation. Our children and their children will turn homeless if your mighty feet lands on these ruins. Be kind enough to spare our lives and our homes." The kind-hearted elephant ordered to eat fellows elephant not to disturb the ruins and left the place without damaging. Day went by, season changed, summer came. The mice approaching an opening in the forest, they heard loud trumpeting noise. The chief mouse thought, "This is the sound of the master elephant who spread our lives. Let me go and see." When the mouse came to the place, it found the master elephant and some more elephants tied to heavy rakes with thick ropes. The mouse understood that these elephants have been captured by men for their lumbering works. "Don't panic, master elephant," and said the mouse, and signaled to its fellow mice. All at once the mice gnawed at the ropes, and soon the elephants were set free. Now it was the turn of the elephant to thank the mice. More of the story is, small deeds of kindness brings get returns. तो अभी मैं हिंदी में इसका मोर ऑफ द स्टोरी कहता हूँ। अभी हमको अगर किसी की हम लोग छोटी सी मदद करते हैं तो उसका उपहार हमको ही मिलता है। तो चलो गाइस, आज के वीडियो में इतना है। अगर ये वीडियो को अच्छी लगी तो लाइक कर देना और सब्सक्राइब भी कर देना। और मैं ऐसी ही कहानी मस्त में कहानी हमेशा लेकर आऊँगा। तो चलो आज के वीडियो में मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में। गुड बाय।